Hello guys, so I wanted to do a little more in-depth review or thoughts about the FitBit Air from Google. So I have been now using the Fitbit almost a month, and I have to say that I have really liked using it because it's quite lightweight. I don't notice it that much sometimes when you sleep, and if you push this to the bed or between the pillow or something, it starts to a little bit feel. But in the end, it's quite comfortable to wear. I have been liking the tracking on it because it has this auto tracking feature that if you walk, for example, 10 minutes, it starts to tracking your walking or running, etc. I tried to track like gym work, but it didn't work out for me, at least when I tried to do the gym. Anyway, I've been using it like a month. I have washed it one time. This is the basic strap. So for me, the basic strap is enough that I didn't feel that I need the sport strap at all, because it dries pretty quickly. I usually don't go in shower or swimming with it. I take it off during those things or during sauna. But in the end, I'm actually really happy with the Fitbit Air and my almost month using it. I have taken the premium feature. I've used that like now month, and I think for the premium feature I have been liking it quite much. You get 1 free month of the premium, but because I didn't give the Google my credit card information, I didn't get the 3 months. That I maybe should have taken the 3 months the free premium, but I was kind of thinking that I could do it later, but only got the 1 month because I didn't give the credit card details. Anyway, this for the premium features that you can use. You have the AI coach that you can give, for example, take a photo of your food and it kind of calculates somewhat of the calories, and also it gives you after the runs or lifting session some kind of feedback, how you did, how about your heart rate things, etc. Yeah, I have to check after my premium that do I value it that much that will I in the future maybe resubscribe to the premium. But at the moment I think it's fun that you have this AI that kind of tells about your run or how did you do this time compared to the previous runs. It's quite fun, but not necessary. I think for the sleep, the premium feature give you some more detailed information of your REM sleep and etc. I think it's more thorough and more detailed with the premium feature, but again, I haven't used it, so I'm not sure that is it premium worth it. But I think I have like under a week left and I will use still the premium, and maybe after that I will check more how it feels without any premium features. I don't have experience of many other this kind of fitness trackers except Xiaomi's basic fitness tracker that was mostly used only for the steps. But at the moment I feel that the heart rate monitor is quite good for giving you overall idea how your runs are going, but of course isn't like perfect compared to the chest straps, and they're more without any lag. The input is more fast, I think. But in the end you can see some of your heart rate variabilities. You can see your resting heart rates, how they go during the week. You can have the blood oxygen presence there, and different kind of that you can follow your calories. You can follow of course your steps, and then you have this kind of sleeping scores that, and also AI give you some kind of feedback about that. Anyway, those are quite handy features in the strap. I've been liking those quite a lot, and it's been quite fun. In the end, on my runs I also have this old Suunto heart rate watch that I use mostly then during the run for more detailed heart rate. But that also because it's more easier to access, because you don't have a screen here and I don't want to watch the phone details that much during my run. But this is for me okay. And of course you can just run and check after they run all your details if you don't want to check like all the time the details. Of course it depends on if you can check on your phone some kind of a holding device. Anyway, yeah, I think, yeah, this is quite, if you can show again the tracker, it's quite small, and of course this is really handy, the USB-C charging port. It's quite easy and fast to load it to 100%. And it's also, you don't have to remove it from the strap, you can just load it, like charge it like this, which is pretty easy. Yeah, but I think I am actually quite happy with my purchase. It was 99 euros. So yeah, I think I will continue using it and tracking my fitness journey. I've been trying to run more lately and getting my 10k under 1 hour. It still needs some work, but I think it's getting there. Anyway, here's just my few thoughts about the FitBit Air. Please add in the comments if you have any question or what you want to know about. Of course, you can check other videos of everything more detailed, but this is just like beginner's thoughts about the FitBit Air and my journey with it. Yeah, my sports mostly has been running and going to the gym lately, so that's my background. Anyway, I hope you liked the video. This was a quick thoughts after using the FitBit Air for some times, and let me know your feedbacks and experience with the FitBit Air. Okay, anyway, see you in the next video. Please like and subscribe and have a nice weekend. It's Friday today. Okay, see you guys. Bye.